Once it's fully charged, it's easy. It's like turning this button on, and then it's gonna show the LED lights. How well it vacuums up. On the LED display, it's going to show you the battery level, a tangle reminder for the brush, and the gear adjustment. I wanted to show everything that this cordless vacuum comes with. I want to note that it's not standing by itself. It is leaning up against the wall. It has a user manual, a quick start guide. It has multiple attachments, 2 filters, one I just put in, and then it also comes with a wall mount. This vacuum's been so easy to use. It's really lightweight, and I can take this top part off and put attachments on so I can use it for my couch or my curtains. I can do the same thing for the bottom, so I can take, at the click of a button, just take the roller part off, and I can get up to the high places that are hard to reach, like my ceiling where all the dust gathers. And then it also extends, so it extends really high up here in the back. Click of a button, boom. The top part here is also where the filter and all the dirt's going to go. So this part right here, you're going to click that in and slide it. This is where your filter replacement is going to be. So I could easily just pop the filter in, twist it, take the filter out and replace it. In the back is where you're going to press this button and the side is going to fall open and you're going to dump it.